ASUS ROG Zephyrus S15 2020 Gaming Laptop 15.6 300Hz IPS-Type FHD NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080s Intel Core i7 to 10875H 32GB DDR4 1TB RAID 0 SSD per key RGB Thunderbolt 3 Windows 10 GX 500 to LXSXS79. Click the link below for more info and 30% limited discount offer. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Super 8GB GDDR6 with RangeBoost. Latest 10th Gen Intel Core i7 to 10875H processor. 300Hz 3 milliseconds 15.6 Full HD 1920x1080 IPS-Type PANTONE validated display. 32GB DDR4 3200MHz RAM 1TB PCIe M2 SSD and RAID 0, 512 plus 512, Windows 10 Professional. ROG Intelligent Cooling Thermal System with Active Aerodynamic System, ASUS, and Thermal Grizzly Liquid Metal Thermal Compound. ROG Aura Sync System with RGB keyboard. Thunderbolt 3GB plus Wi-Fi 6 with RangeBoost Bluetooth 5.0. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.